Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing results with YouTube's Creative Commons filter, so you only see reusable clips. Once filtered, inspect the video details, resolution, audio, and date, because quality affects your edit. Make sure the uploader hasn't added additional restrictions in the description. If they have, don't use the clip. Then choose the clip you'll remix and note the exact title and channel for attribution. This saves time when you assemble credits later. Next, get the footage legally. Use YouTube's built-in editor or another method that respects YouTube's terms. Avoid unapproved downloaders. Once you have access, trim to the exact timestamps you need, keep the original aspect ratio, 16:9 usually, and preserve bitrate to avoid artifacts. While editing, log each clip's original title, channel, and timestamp so attribution is precise. This record prevents disputes and makes your credits accurate and professional. Finish by assembling your timeline and exporting at original resolution. Then add an on-screen credit and a description credit that includes the original title, creator, YouTube channel, and the exact Creative Commons license, CC BY, for example, so viewers and platforms see compliance. Once uploaded, select an appropriate license for your new work, but don't relicense clips if the original CC prevents it. If anything goes wrong, check your saved source log and timestamps. That proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.